Hey friends, if you wish to lock, manage or edit the host file on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, regarding the path of the host file, it is C drive, Windows, system 32, drivers, etc. Okay, etc. is also a word. So press the Windows key and the R button together and copy this path. Hit enter. You'll reach the host file. Now if you open it, it won't open because it doesn't have any extension at all. So right click on it and select open with and select notepad and click on notepad. So you can use the notepad to access this file. Now go to the absolute bottom and press enter twice. To block a certain website, you have to type the command 127.0.0.1 space and then the name of the website. Okay. So we will go to the host file. I'll paste it here. I'll click on file. I'll click on save. And I'll just click on file and I'll click on save once. And I'll save it in the same folder. Then as for locking this file, I'll go back to it. I'll right click on it. I'll select show more options. I'll click on properties. I'll select hidden. I'll click on apply. I'll give permissions. I'll click on OK. And now this is hidden. It cannot be unlocked easily. If you really want to do it, then click on show hidden files and now it is appearing, and then go to show more options, properties, and then uncheck this and now it will appear. Obviously you have to give permissions again and then click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.